Hey.
You really need a doorknob.
Yeah.
I know.
Weeks. So is Miles home?
Yeah, he's asleep.
Alright, well, let's get plugged in and wake Miles up.
Alright, I'll go wake him
So
up.
he can play tambourine.
Yeah. We need our tambourine player.
Miles?
Miles.
Miles! Come on, dude, we gotta practice.
Come on, you're a tambourine player. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go, friend.
Stop. Okay.
Come on, we're practicing.
We gotta practice.
Okay.
It's tambourine time. Let's go.
I'm ready. I'm going, okay? Let's go. Come on. Come on.
See, I'm already dressed.
Come. Yeah. You sleep in your clothes, you bum? Okay, guys, I just really want this to be a productive practice. We gotta prepare for our gig coming up.
Yeah.
We really need to get some of these songs worked out. I think we're gonna start on Ceasefire.
Ceasefire.
So, Drew, what?
Is that the one, like...
Everyone's go.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
So, Drew, just start out with your cue.
Alright. Wait. Let me do a tambourine solo.
At the chorus.
At the chorus?
At the
We're
chorus.
going to start off with the tambourine solo. But I guess we can go to the chorus, okay.
Don't play through the verses.
I want to play it in verses.
Too bad.
Okay.
Alright, go ahead.
What?
That was good, but the transition seemed like it was all off.
Yeah.
We really need to go back and just fix that transition.
Can you guys close the door?
Miles, go.
Miles, go close it.
Sorry. Guys, we really need to get a doorknob.
Right now, we really need to get a doorknob right now.
Seriously.
Yeah.
We're in the middle.
Oh, yeah, let's go get it. Let's go get it.
We're gonna stop practice so we
Guys!
can get a doorknob.
Wait, should we go to...
Okay, but this has to be really quick.
I think we should go to, like, Home Depot for it, right?
I'm thinking Lowe's. Lowe's is close.
Hey,
That's
it doesn't
close.
matter. Let's just go do it real quick and get back. So
Is there anything else we need, just in case?
So we can
No,
have
that's it.
productive band
All right,
practice.
just
We need to-
Lowe's. We just need to buy Lowe's.
All right, here we are, guys.
Let's just make this quick, okay? I really want to get back and work on that
Okay,
song.
we'll go quick. We'll go quick.
I'll give us 15 minutes.
Okay.
It shouldn't be hard to take out a doorknob.
No, it'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Do you know what you want? Like what style?
It's a handle knob, something like
No.
that.
Do you want the handle? Do you want the knob? Do you want like a fancy like butterfly type action?
Do you think we could afford the door so like you can just walk up to it?
Okay. So I think this is what we want, but I'm not sure. There's other colors. Oh! Oh, okay. This one doesn't have a lock on it. It's for, okay. But this one's nice too.
What about?
No. We want one of these. I'll take these back to them, see what they think. Hey guys, I found a couple.
I found one.
I found 5. So guys, what do you like the best?
I like Brandon's.
Yeah, how much was that?
$69.
Oh, okay. Well, we should really then take some serious
I
consideration.
have dummy knobs.
This one.
I don't
Yeah,
know what
because
it
you're a
means.
dummy.
I don't know what it means.
This one
by
has butterfly wing action, like I was talking about.
Oh, okay. I like mine. That took way longer than I thought it would.
It wasn't 15 minutes like I allotted.
Where do we park?
Hey,
Dude, that's a good question.
Dude, where's your car?
Good questions.
Are we
We'll
gonna
find
have 5
it.
lawnmowers?
Guys, I can't believe what happened.
What about how we killed Nick?
No, about how much time we wasted looking for a doorknob. We're never gonna get that time back.
Look. Yeah, I would really like to have got out there earlier, but we couldn't, okay? It's,
Choosing a doorknob is a very long and hard process that you have to think about every little aspect of it.
let's just hurry up and finish our food so we can get back to a productive practice like we were planning on originally.
Okay, got it.
McDonald's, high quality beef.
Guys, something just doesn't feel the same.
I know, without Nick it just feels wrong.
Yeah, it's just so sad.
No, I'm talking about the doorknob. You know?
Oh, you're right. Wow.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
Having a doorknob is just a whole new experience.
Let's go admire the doorknob.
It's an important renovation in every house.
Yeah, let's go admire it.
It's just so beautiful. Every person deserves a doorknob. I mean, fine craftsmanship, a lifetime warranty, closet y pasilo. I just have to open it.
Hey, man, that's some fine craftsmanship. Nice turn. Doesn't get stuck like some other doorknobs. Yeah. Hey Ben, we lost our bass player today. Could you fill in on banjo for us? You know.
I knew that when I told them to close the door when they were playing too loud, they would notice that there's no doorknob. And when they saw no doorknob, they knew that they would have to go to Lowe's to get a new one. And I knew that there'd be a tragic accident with Nick or somebody else would get hit by a car. My plan is complete to get in the band!
Drew, what are you doing?
He's in the bathroom. He's not gonna notice.
That's wrong, man.
Aren't we supposed to be doing something?
It must not have been important. Yeah.